School injury cases are really separated into two categories. The first is intentional acts of other people. It can be from another student or a staff member at school. The second area are negligence cases that happen at school. It could be a student being let off at the wrong bus stop. It could be a school bus accident. It could be somebody who's hurt in gym class. School injury cases involving students with special needs are probably the most difficult personal injury cases to handle. Many times a student with special needs is unable to express exactly what happened in the incident. Therefore, we have to gather all the evidence around that incident, whether it's speaking with staff members, teachers, or administrators, to get the full picture of exactly what happened and how it's impacted that student.
My son has autism. He was lost on his route home taking the bus. And because of the autism, he could not figure out where he was. And because he has the verbal challenges, the ability to ask someone for help is just not there. It's like immediate panic, like, where's my child? And there's nothing you can do. And that's the one time and space that you're just like, I'm helpless right now. I, of course, reached out to the school, and the school gave me this rigmarole of the bus company doesn't work for us, they're a contractor. At the end of all that, I still felt like, okay, so who is being held accountable for what happened to my son? That's when I was like, this obviously is something I need to consult with an attorney about. I would highly recommend Ledyard Law. They helped me navigate what was right and what was done wrong. They were able to explain to me the legal part of how the school needs to be held accountable for what was not done and how his rights were violated. We were able to settle our case, and change was made because of that.
At Ledyard Law, when a school staff member causes an injury to a student, we want to find out, how was this person hired? What red flags were there that would have alerted the school to an issue with the staff member? And what could the school have done to prevent this from happening? We know exactly how schools work. We know exactly the experts to use to explore all those facets of a case. It is critical that a parent looks at a situation and says, this is not normal. They don't need to accept the outcome. We're here to fight for you, and we're here to protect your children.